In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Dropbox account. This tool has become an indispensable part of our digital lives, whether for personal use, sharing files with friends, or collaborating on projects with colleagues. The process is straightforward, but I'll guide you through each step and provide additional tips to ensure you get the most out of your new Dropbox account. Firstly, you'll need to navigate to Dropbox.com. Once there, you'll immediately notice the user-friendly interface designed to make your experience as seamless as possible. The homepage itself is quite inviting, displaying features and testimonials that Dropbox offers, but our focus today is on setting up your account. So, let's proceed. Upon reaching Dropbox.com, your next step is to locate the Login button. It might seem a bit counterintuitive to click on Login when you're looking to create an account. Still, Dropbox has intuitively placed this button to guide both returning users and newcomers. The login option is typically found at the top right corner of the home page. It's prominently displayed, so you shouldn't have any trouble finding it. Clicking login brings us to a pivotal part of our journey, the option to continue with Google. This is where the magic happens. By choosing to continue with Google, Dropbox offers a streamlined process that eliminates the need to fill out lengthy forms or remember another password. In today's digital age, where simplicity is key, using your existing Google account to sign up for Dropbox is not only convenient but also secure. Why choose to continue with Google, you might wonder? Well, the answer lies in the convenience and the added layer of security this option provides. Your Google account likely already has two-factor authentication enabled, which adds an extra security layer to your new Dropbox account. Plus, it consolidates your accounts under one email, making it easier to manage your digital life. After clicking on Continue with Google, you'll be prompted to select the Google account you wish to use, or to log into one if you're not already logged in on your browser. Make sure to choose the account you want associated with your Dropbox for a seamless transition between services. And just like that, you've taken the most significant steps toward opening your Dropbox account. It's a process that's designed to be as painless as possible, letting you get to what's important: storing, sharing, and collaborating on your files. Before we wrap up, I'd like to share some additional tips to enhance your Dropbox experience further. Once your account is set up, take some time to explore the interface. Familiarize yourself with the layout, the location of your storage space, and how to upload files. It might also be beneficial to download the Dropbox desktop app and mobile app to access your files across all your devices seamlessly. And don't forget to explore the sharing features. After all, Dropbox shines brightest when you're using it to collaborate with others. To ensure you're making the most out of your new account, consider setting up folders for different projects or aspects of your life. This organization can make navigating your files a breeze and improve your overall productivity. And if you ever find yourself needing more space, Dropbox offers various plans to suit your needs, from individual use to professional and business plans designed for team collaboration on a larger scale. In conclusion, setting up a Dropbox account is a simple process that can bring a wealth of benefits to your digital life. By following the steps we've outlined today, you're well on your way to storing, sharing, and collaborating on files with ease. Dropbox is more than just a storage solution. It's a tool that can help streamline your projects and bring your work to the next level. So give it a try, explore its features, and see how it can fit into your workflow. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial on how to open a Dropbox account. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it has made your digital journey a bit easier. Remember, the world of technology is at your fingertips, and tools like Dropbox are here to help you navigate it more efficiently. Happy storing, and see you in the next video.